In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a brand kit in ActiveCampaign. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your ActiveCampaign account and head to your dashboard. So from there, navigate to the bottom left corner of your screen. Do you see that little gear icon? Yes, that's the settings icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up the settings menu where we can make some important adjustments. Next, you're going to look for the option that says Appearance. It's usually pretty easy to spot in that settings menu. Just click on it, and you'll find yourself on a page that allows you to customize how your brand looks in your email campaigns. Now let's focus on adding your logo. You'll find a section specifically for this. Click on the Upload button, which should be clearly labeled. This is your chance to choose a high-quality logo file from your computer. Keeping a high-quality logo handy is essential, especially since this will be part of your email templates moving forward. Make sure to select the one that represents your brand best. Once your logo is uploaded, let's move on to setting your brand colors. Scroll down a bit to find the color palette area. Here, you'll see a set of color boxes. Click on each box, and here's where you can enter your brand's specific hex codes. You'll typically have one for your primary color, one for a secondary color, as well as colors for the background and text. By entering these hex codes, you won't have to paste them every single time you create a new design in ActiveCampaign. This will definitely save you time and ensure consistency in your branding. The next step is selecting your typography, which is equally important. In this section, you'll choose your default brand fonts and set the font sizes for headers and paragraph text. Try to pick fonts that align with your official business guidelines. Consistent typography not only enhances the visual appeal of your emails, but it also strengthens brand recognition. Now that you have your logo uploaded and your colors and fonts set, it's time to save all your hard work. Scroll to the bottom of the page and you should see a blue button that says Save Settings. Go ahead and click that. This ensures that all the details you've just entered will now be applied across your future email designs, making your branding look cohesive and professional. And there you have it. You've successfully added a brand kit in ActiveCampaign. This is such an important step because it helps create a unified identity in your email marketing, making every message instantly recognizable to your audience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for